Make sure that you watch until the end for some before and after shots. Hey Glam fam, welcome to the channel. But wait a minute, a lot of y'all ain't a part of the Glam fam yet. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button in order to join the Glam fam, so that when I say Glam fam, you're actually a part of it. And hey, make sure that you turn on your post notifications while you're at it. Today I'm going to be talking about some foods that will in fact make that booty bigger. Now, I've made videos like this in the past and a lot of you guys watch and have loved. So today I'm here to share with you all a ton of different foods that you can consume at home in order to give you the body of your dreams. Now, with things like cosmetic surgery and BBLs and a lot of different other things being on the rise, I believe that it's very important to encourage you ladies that you can achieve the body that you want on your own. Whether it be through working out, whether it be through changing your diet, all depending on what type of results that you want, it is definitely possible for you to achieve the body that you want. And hey, for that, I'm your girl. So let's get it started. Now, first on the list, I'm starting with nuts. And no, I'm not talking about what you might think I'm talking about, okay? I'm talking about, anyway, y'all. First on the list is nuts. Nuts are really one of the best foods for butt growth, believe it or not. In order to get some junk in the trunk, you have to eat healthy foods that will make your butt bigger. Eating a daily assortment of nuts can get you on the right track. Mixed nuts usually consist of cashews, almonds, and peanuts. Most 1 ounce servings contain at least 135 calories. Now, I am someone who's allergic to nuts, but you guys, if you are able to consume these without getting any type of health issues from them, definitely try these out for butt growth. They're going to be great, especially if you are on your journey of being fit. This is something to have in your diet. Now, it can also act as a replacement for things like junk food such as chips and a lot of different things that we like to have when we are in a snack type of mood, okay? But these nuts right here, or girl, what is going on? Consuming nuts, okay, will have you looking like a snack, okay, instead of trying to eat snacks other than nuts, okay, if that makes sense. I don't know, but this nut thing is getting me all mixed up. So let me move on to the next food. Nonetheless, nuts do help with getting the body of your dreams. Number 2. My beloved avocado. I love avocados. In fact, if you have not checked out one of my latest videos where I share with you guys what I eat in a day, you definitely want to check that out to see how you can make your avocado dip and things that involve avocados more flavorful, because there is too many benefits to avocados for you to not be having them, girl. Avocados are all around a healthy food choice, as we all know. They help with things like the skin, the body, and let's not forget the buttocks. This green fleshed fruit is loaded with minerals, vitamins, and a ton of other things. However, the great thing about avocado is that it's made with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fat. But if you are not careful, avocado can put you in a position as to where you're gaining too much weight. So definitely pay attention to how much you consume. Nonetheless, if you're looking to get some butt gains, avocados have the perfect amount of healthy fat. And if you didn't know, you just found out, okay? Now, number 3 on the list is Greek yogurt. Now, I myself am not a huge fan of Greek yogurt. It doesn't have much of a flavor to me, so I kind of shy away from it. But when it came to things like bomb gains, I remember I did include this into smoothies, which I'm going to share with you all a quick Greek yogurt smoothie towards the end of this video, so stay tuned for that if you are someone who wants to know a way that you can incorporate Greek yogurt into your diet and you're someone who's not really a fan of it like your girl. But it is something that can help with buttocks growth. Greek yogurt is packed with at least 16 grams of saturated fat. That's 11 grams more than your typical yogurt. Make sure that you consume your Greek yogurt in moderation because it will definitely have you picking up some pounds. And I'm not just talking about in the buttocks area, but I'm talking about all over. Now, another way to get some butt gains is through whole wheat. You should start replacing all of your butter breads and white breads for wheat bread. Your body will thank you for it in the long run. And you'll thank yourself once you look in the mirror too, I'm just saying. The great thing about wheat bread is it is the healthier option when compared to other breads. Now for me, that is typically all that I consume. I really don't eat any other type of breads unless, you know, I'm somewhere where that's the bread that they give. But for the most part, my main choice is wheat bread. Whole wheat bread contains calories that will help you to stay more full, contributing to you having a slimmer waist and also to helping with some buttocks gains as well if you're working out along with it. Now this is something that a lot of us might not like, but I have to put it in this video because it is on the list, and that is tuna. Tuna is actually a great choice for one of the foods that can help to make your bum bigger. One can of tuna holds a little less than 200 calories and is a perfect source of protein and healthy fat. Now if you're looking to gain heavy weight and muscle weight, you might want to add a few more calories to this. One of the ways is by mixing eggs, mayo, or sweet relish, whatever the case may be and whatever you prefer. You might prefer to mix them all. Either way, tuna is a great way to get that booty a little bigger. Now this is one of the most delicious options on the list. We have dried fruit, you guys. Dried pineapples, dried apples, dried apricots. They're basically all the same when it comes down to high sugar content. Surprisingly enough, dried fruit puts more pounds on you than regular fresh fruit. Interesting, right? This choice of a snack will definitely benefit you to getting a fuller bottom. Next up on the list, I have potatoes. Now, potatoes have carbohydrates that most people try to cut back on when they're losing weight. But that doesn't mean that potatoes can't be beneficial to you when you're trying to get butt gains. If you're looking to get a little bit more cushion for the pushing, then don't eliminate this food. Potatoes are a great source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and also potassium, which are great vitamins that our bodies crave. Make sure to eat your potatoes unpeeled. They have the best nutritional values. Now, whenever I say this, a lot of people get very upset, but don't be upset, you guys. This is a known fact. Lean beef is one of the quickest ways in order to beef up that bum, okay? If you want to build those muscles in your booty, make sure that you get you some beef. Although beef isn't and shouldn't be a food that is typically recommended, it contains a lot of different things that will help with butt gains. Now, one thing that I can personally say is I would not recommend this to be a food that you eat on the day-to-day basis, like every single day of your life, but it is good for your body in moderation. Now, next up on the list is quinoa. If you have gluten sensitivity or intolerance, your best bet is to try some quinoa. These grains are super healthy and are one of the few plant-based foods that are considered a complete protein. And you guys, quinoa also contains all the essential amino acids that your body needs. Now I'm going to share with you all one more food, and you all can like this video and share down below if you guys would like to see part 2 of this video, because there are a lot of different foods that will help with bum growth. But you have to let me know down below that you're interested in seeing it. Comment down below part 2 please if you're interested in learning a few more foods that will give you the bum of your dreams. But really quickly, I'm going to share with you all the last food on my list for today, and that is eggs. Now, as we all know, eggs are known for being a food that is very high in protein. So it's no surprise that it made the list for booty enhancing foods. All of these foods help you with getting bum gains, but make sure that you have a consistent workout routine along with them. That is what I recommend. Whenever I make these videos, a lot of people think that I'm just telling them, oh my gosh, eat this and girl, you gonna be fine, and you gonna have the body of your dreams. And that's definitely not what I be saying. But I have to make sure that I put out there, please, 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 please make sure that you have a great workout routine. For me, I love to work out 2 hours a day, Monday through Friday, but you can do 1 hour a day. Even 30 minutes a day is fine. I believe that most of us are supposed to work out at least 30 minutes a day. So if you can get that in, you're doing yourself a favor, okay? And you don't even have to have a gym membership. You can get all of your equipment at home, like dumbbells and all the different types of things that you need. So I'm gonna leave some of my favorite things to use while working out at home down below. You guys can check it out and you guys can do a little bit of shopping, okay? And if you have someone who's interested in improving their body, Christmas is right around the corner, and these are some of the perfect gifts that you can get for your loved ones this holiday season. Y'all thought I forgot, didn't y'all? Here is the protein shake with Greek yogurt that I wanted to share with you guys. Alright now Glam fam, today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make a easy, simple, delicious protein shake at home with your Ninja blender. First and foremost, I am of course starting by washing out all of the utensils that I'll be using on today. And make sure that you do this step each and every time that you receive something new, because it has been in a factory and only God knows what's in it, okay? So make sure that you wash it out with a soap of your choice and also with some good old warm water. Make sure that you check out the links below to purchase your very own Ninja blender, since that is what this video is surrounded around. This blender is absolutely amazing and it blends up everything so amazingly. Today I'm using frozen strawberry banana blend, and I'm just going to apply this into my little cup. Now, as you all know, I kind of just eyeball my measurements and things like that, but I will leave specific measurements down below for you guys. I just eyeball and see how much of this and how much of that I want, but I know that you guys would probably like specific measurements, so I will leave a little bit more of that information down below. Today I'm using plain Greek yogurt. This is the vanilla flavor, and as you all can see, this contains 17 grams of protein, which is amazing for what I'm doing on today, because I'm definitely looking to pick up some extra protein, okay you guys? So I'm going to start by stirring that up, and then once it's mixed up properly, I'm going to start by putting that into my cup as well over those frozen strawberry bananas. Now the cup that I'm using did come with my Ninja blender. It also came with the regular blender thing that you use to blend everything up with. So definitely check this out down below, you guys. It is such a deal. And today I will be using Vanilla Whey Gold Standard Protein. This is their vanilla ice cream flavor. And you guys, this stuff tastes and smells amazing. You're gonna absolutely love it if you haven't tried it, or if you're someone that absolutely loves sweets. So I'm gonna put this into my mixture, and you guys, it'll almost be time to blend it up. And the vanilla whey protein will also be down below for purchase. As you guys know, your girl's an Amazon affiliate, so all things Amazon will be listed. And I forgot that I also needed to add in a liquid, so as you all will see in a second, I'm adding in some silk almond milk, because y'all know I was getting ready to blend this up and that looks like a dry mess, don't it? So I grabbed my milk and I added that in, and this milk is unsweetened, you guys. You can use almond milk, you can also use coconut milk, either one is fine, and I'm adding in about 1 cup of that into my cup. And And I also added in some sweetener, which is completely optional, but I wanted to add a little bit more of a pop of sweetness to mine, so that's exactly what I did. It contained 0 calories, so it's not adding any benefits to this smoothie per se. I just wanted it in there. And I'm gonna pop this onto my Ninja blender and blend it up. Now for this particular cup, you do use the single serve button, and you just hold it down and it's gonna blend it right on up, okay? And once it is blended to the consistency that you want, you can then remove the top. Now the great part about the cup that I just blended this shake up in is that you can also drink out of this. Now it does come with a top that you can use that also has a little area that is available for a straw. Now today I will be using my metal straw, which is also, surprise, from Amazon, and that will also be listed down below. It is very eco-friendly for our planet because you're not using so much plastic, because if you're constantly drinking out of straws, girl, you are using a lot. I'm sorry, plastic straws to be more specific. So definitely pick you up a metal straw today. And that is it for how you make this protein smoothie at home. You guys, it is absolutely delicious, and if you do end up trying it out, let me know down below how you like it, okay? Now, as you all know, I have come a long way with my weight gaining process, whether it be in terms of gains or just in terms of regular weight to begin with. As you guys can see, I started off very slim when I started my weight gaining process, and your girl is looking to tone up at this point. So as y'all know, I have been in the gym. So in this video, I wanted to share a few reasons why you should consume protein, specifically protein shakes, since that does have to do with this video. Let's talk about what protein does for the body. Now, protein is the foundation of muscle gain, as we all know. This essential component is a necessity for all of your body's daily functions and uses. Did you know that? Despite myths and misconceptions surrounding how much protein you should or should not eat, it's important to balance one's protein with the rest of their nutritional intake. Protein is extremely important in building muscle because of the amino acids. The building blocks of protein help repair and maintain muscle tissue. After a workout, protein helps you recover from workouts because muscles slightly tear during exercise. You guys, slowly but surely, if you're taking protein, it will definitely help with your fitness journey. And I am on a kick of fitness right now. Protein is something that is needed within our bodies, so make sure that you are getting your intake of protein, whether you work out or not. And it's definitely going to help you to getting to those gains faster if you do work out, because you won't be in agony, because protein does help to repair the muscles, as I just said. So you guys, check out this whey protein down below and get to making you some shakes or some smoothies, or you can even just put your protein in water if you are not getting the proper protein intake and do not have time to make any type of shakes or smoothies. Nonetheless, you guys, it is extremely vital and important for your body, and I hope that you learned something new from this video.